my loves, and hello and welcome back to another Femme Luxe clothing review. I realise I need to stop saying every time I look back at a video, like I rarely do. I keep saying and I'm so sorry for that. So I'm really going to try not to. So if you see me just pause for a second, you'll know why. So I wanted to, and so I need to stop saying so much. So I wanted to start off with the first piece. Oh God, there I go again. I will note down the clothing pieces. Seriously, it's gonna be so hard to get used to not saying every time. Anyways, I will be noting down all the pieces in my comment section, as well as on my accompanying blog as well. This is just a bit of a try on, really, just to sort of show you guys what it looks like on, obviously how you can experiment and everything. There will be obviously a picture blog with all the details. There I go again, for you too. Right, so the first one I want to try on is this utility jacket, which I quite like, to be honest. It did look quite nice, and okay, not bad. The bonus thing about this is it comes with two types of belts, and they are humongously long, humongously long. So this is one that you can literally just wrap around, play with. If you're into the whole, you wrap it around, then you let it dangle like this, that'll be perfect. So the first one, let me do this one first. First one, I just want to show you guys. God, I should have, I should have weaved this through beforehand. Oh no, never mind. I'll try and do this as quick as I can. Although I may speed up this part when I edit. Oh, no. Okay. So you can button up. So it's still quite nice because even though it's a little bit oversized, it's one that you could probably wear with jumpers underneath, because you've got there's a fair bit of room in here. I'm just wearing a t-shirt dress, but there's a fair bit of room in here. Oh no, I've got to pretend I didn't do that. Pretend this is all looking so perfect, because I'm losing my patience today. Where are the little holes? So obviously it's up to you how much you want to tighten it. So I saw the model go one strip round, so it kind of covers the belt, and then she sort of did that kind of style. I'll just show you guys a little bit up close. But yeah, it's just, this is a bit too long for me. It's a bit, I'll just keep faffing with it and be like, why are you just dangling down there? So that's one. I mean, I suppose you could always just, see, I keep saying, it's such a bad habit. It's such a bad habit. You know what? I'm going to try and change that habit. So I don't know if that could be another one you could literally just try and, obviously do a better bow than what I'm doing right now, but potentially just see if it works. So that would be the first one. I really can't bother to do this one now. Okay, I'm not going to loop it through. I just want to show you guys. Oh no, oh my God, this one I've got to weave through to. Okay, do you know what? You'll get the gist with this kind of clasp. It's basically much how I've done the belt, but in this format. Oh my God. This will take me probably 20 minutes. And that's if I speed it up. I'm not gonna bore you guys with that, basically. But otherwise, this is a pretty cool jacket. Let me just try and open it. Oh God, I need to stop saying I keep doing it. So, nice button front. You've got all these cute little pockets. I mean, I'm not too sure if you'd actually use them, if they're just there for show. But you've got pockets dotted everywhere. Oh, these are zip ones. I keep forgetting. There's me trying to go like this. You've also got a choice of two buttons if you want to tighten your cuff or loosen it like I have. It's easy because obviously I've got a Fitbit on, so it's getting stuck on mine already anyway. And back is all plain. And yeah, not bad. Not bad, I've got to say, actually. It's pretty cool. I would probably dress this up with like a leather skirt. Oh my god, something. Yeah, a leather skirt, some nice black tights, probably my Timberland boots or some sort of trainer boot equivalent for winter. Otherwise, yeah, not bad. My next piece, oh, there goes the I've got to say, I'm so disappointed. I'm trying to think of the word. Disappointed, weirded out, frustrated, irritated. This piece is supposed to be a blazer dress, right? I've literally had to put shorts on underneath because it just about covered my bum. Honest to God, it's the most shortest thing ever. How can you class that as a dress? I don't get it. I'm baffled. Like, let me show you guys up close. So this is what we're working with, right? And it's that really flimsy, clingy material. I'm not too sure if you guys can sort of see what I mean, but well, I can't even say clingy because that's baggy as anything. But it's a type that it's, you know, just if you sweat in it or something, it's one that will stick to you. It's not a nice material. So this is supposed to be, it's double buttoned. Yeah, it's double buttoned. Only because I like to put it over my head. I just didn't like button up and stuff. And it's ridiculous. It's so short. Like, that's okay, like, minus that part. But it's so short. How can you, I don't get it. How can you class this as a dress? No, it's not a dress at all. Please don't order this because I'm not a fan of this. No, it's wrong. It's absolutely wrong. I'm baffled. Literally, I just put it on and I was like, I've got to go up and go get a pair of shorts now because there's no way I'm going to be exposing everything on camera. So this is what we're working with. It's, like I said, it's double buttoned. You've got a little collar bit here. But there's not much point. It's literally the most thinnest collar possible. Sleeve length is okay, but as you can see, it's slightly baggy on me. It's not the greatest. I'm just going to leave it there. It's not the greatest. I'm not a fan at all. My next piece is this leather halterneck. Well, not even leather. It's PU really. Halterneck dress. It's got padded cups, which means you don't really have to wear a bra if you don't want to. I'm not going to disclose whether I am or not because, for the sake of it, it's got a zip back, and I had a bit of an issue with the zip part here. Like, it started sticking out and there's actually like a hole here. So I'm not too sure what that's about or anything. I have no clue. It says roughly about mid-thigh, so it's not too bad actually. Pretty nice fit. It probably doesn't help the fact that I'm wearing tights underneath because the material keeps rubbing against it and it's not really working that well. Otherwise, it's not too bad. Let me just show you the back. I'm not too sure if you guys can see that properly. Oh, hold on, let me hold the hair the other way. But it's got 2 double buttons at the top just to hook them into place, and kind of a cute design going on, but yeah, it's okay. To be honest, yeah, I'm not too keen on the material. This is the type, this will cling to you, like, oh my god, like no tomorrow, this will cling to you. Like, that's why I have to keep like tugging it down because it just keeps just scrunching up and doing its own thing. But otherwise, not bad. Not bad, I suppose, if you're just after a party dress and you're not really bothered. I suppose it works in that sense. But yeah, I'm not too sure. If I'm honest, I think it's okay, but I didn't see me wearing this out a lot. And on to the next piece. Now this piece, I'm going to start off by saying it's slightly fitted, and that's where you can start to see the lining. This is in a size 6, but, well, your sizes are always hit and miss, aren't they? So, hey ho, we just got to work with what we've got to work with. So this is a size 6, and is it Milkmaid? I can't remember the actual name. Literally, I'll have to put the name down at the bottom. Just have a look at the bottom or on the blog. And it's interesting. So let me start off with the colour. You'd think it's white, but actually it's a white with a tinge of blue. I don't know why. You won't be able to see it properly on camera. But if I paired it against... Do you know what? Hold on a second. Right, for instance, if I paired it against this white, can you tell? Like, the actual colour difference as to this is like white. I'm not even talking ivory or anything like that. This is like white. So you can tell here the difference in white, basically. Which I think is really odd, but what can you do? So we're also working with an off-white colour. And not only that, this is super see-through. Like, thank God I'm wearing like tights and stuff and everything underneath, because you would be able to see everything. I kid you not, you will be able to see everything. So I'm not impressed with that at all. Let me just show you guys the top. I still keep saying but hey ho. So this is not really adjustable or anything. It's literally just there for show. You've got enough elastication around here so it can cover sort of whatever size bust you are, really. I'm obviously wearing a bra underneath, but for those who don't want to, you know, you're kind of sorted here. But there's not that much support underneath. At the back, it's pretty much plain, a little bit of elastication, but nothing much really going on. Shoulders, depends where you want to sit them really, and it all depends on your bust area, because you can try and sit them here, but they'll end up falling a bit. But then I've noticed when I first got it on, they started like drooping down a little bit here. So elastication's okay in it, but as you can see, it's like, it is pretty gappy. It's not like on your arms or anything. Otherwise, yeah, it's not bad. It's okay, but I'm personally not sure. I don't feel comfortable to wear this out anywhere. Like, I would want to, but it's just because, one, it's too fitted. Two, I hate the fact that it's so see-through. And yeah, it's not something that would really work for me.